You should play your cards right.
Tama.
And we're just playing our cards right.
Kami din. Kaya, never nang ibibigay yung spot.
Never ibibigay. Wala kang nakalagay, di ba?
Walang nakalagay, pero pwede namin ipaglaban, sabi ni Kuya.
Pwede din namin ipaglaban yun sa amin.
Wala akong paki sa mga flag niyo dyan.
And wala din kayong paki sa inyo.
Sa bagay.
Pero sa competition.
Iniisip lang namin sarili namin. Bakit namin iisipin yung, yung mga kapakanan nyo dyan?
Ang susunod ay ang issue tungkol sa pagiging inconsiderate.
Alam naman natin, you guys were all housemates, so you guys experienced what it's like to work hard to win the weekly budget. We thought you'd understand. Actually, at first, I tried to defend you guys and gave possibilities to everyone on why you're acting like this. Maybe because you had to do it, maybe you had a task, that's why you're acting like this. Pero when it came to the 80-20 point, that's where I couldn't make it make sense anymore. Kasi your attitude, so I was like, oh, what's going on? So that's my issue about inconsideration, because I didn't feel the consideration sa hard work namin binigay for that chicken. I know it sounds shallow, chicken lang, but we worked hard for the chicken talaga, because that's what we want.
When it comes to in consideration, we can say, and we must say na we have to, because like what Jaren said, this is our work, and we have rules to follow, and that's one thing now we need to stick about. The portion of the 80-20, siguro yung sa endpoint kasi namin, gusto namin marinig kung ano yung pinaglalaban, kasi only JM and Binsoy lang yung naririnig namin. I know na it is your hard work, but at the end of the day, nung nakabalik kami dito, it's really our call not to bring up the chicken anymore. When we were housemates, of course, we always fight for fairness, and we are always fair to the people na kasama namin.
What are we to you now? Malayo na sa topic. Balik tayo.
I don't think it's that far naman.
No, it's not that far. Majority of being considered is because of the bond we've made. I knew you guys. I treated you guys more than a housemate. I remember first week, I said, I can't believe I'm telling a bunch of strangers my story that I haven't really told anyone. Now that meron kayong sariling mundo, meron kaming amin, you know, if I'm being honest, you know, we still think about you guys actually. And it's just hard for us to accept kasi porket na-evict kayo. How do you see us now? Of course, in friendship, hindi nawawala eh. Pero, tandaan nyo, this is a game. Uunahin pa ba namin yung iba? Yung sarili namin? Eh, pumasok nga kami dito para sa sarili namin, hindi para sa iba. That's your answer? It's a game? What about after this? What are we? I'm just being for real. That's up to you. Ito yung genuine. Kung pinerasalan mo ba talaga? Kasi kami hindi namin pinag-personal.